Achieve maximum control and precise application for freehand techniques with Moroccanoil Blonde Voyage Clay Lightener. Our Blonde Voyage Clay Lightener provides up to 8 levels of controlled and reliable lift. It's powered by our Bond Care and Argan ID system, which protects and nourishes the hair during the lightening service. The formula features kaolin clay for a creamy texture that spreads easily and stays in place, giving you maximum control for all freehand techniques. Blonde Voyage Clay Lightener is ideal for balayage and application techniques that require precise placement. Wear suitable gloves in a non-metallic bowl mixed with any Moroccanoil oxidative cream developer in a ratio of 1 to 1.5. The level of developer you choose will depend on the degree of lightening desired and the condition of the hair. Apply to dry, unwashed hair. Maximum processing time is 50 minutes. Check every 5 to 10 minutes and do not use heat. Follow with Moroccanoil Color Care shampoo and conditioner.